Are you missold your insurance, that was specifically life insurance, and you may never know whether you are missold or not? Please watch this video to know whether you have been missold a life insurance. Hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach. I help your money in multiplying by investing in stock market. Please subscribe to this channel so that you are not missing anything related to something like this. Okay. So today's topic is all about, is your insurance missold, and that was specifically life insurance. And why I'm taking this topic today, because today in Parliament, government has said that. Recently, ICICI settled claims worth or almost refunded money worth 2.9 crores in almost like 300 plus cases, 300 or 200 plus cases. The point is, it has been missold, and ICICI has acknowledged that mis-selling. So this is happening not only in the private banks, in almost in most of the PSU banks, public sector banks as well. And how it is being done and how you are being missold, this is what you are going to see in today's video. And how this mis-selling happens? The common thing is, it has been sold as fixed deposit for 5 years. Generally, ULIP policies will have 5 year lock-in period, and most of the people who come into the banks will believe the relationship manager or the manager who is sitting inside the bank, and they will be asking, can I get any better product? Or the bank manager will say, invest in this product, you will be getting. It's almost like a fixed deposit, sir. If you invest, you will be getting better returns of almost 12% in 5 years timeline, and investing 5 lakh, you'll be getting around 10 lakhs at the end of fifth year. So like this, most of the bank managers are doing it, and that got proved today. That is the point, that got proved today. And in SBI, this recently happened, or not recently, almost 3 years before. One of my friend referred her aunt to me for investing in her retired amount, and I've been telling about mutual funds and corporate deposits and everything. And after a couple of days, she called back and said that there is a policy in SBI, and I need to pay for 5 years, 1 lakh per year, and at the end of 25th year, I'll be getting 1 crore, which is dumbstruck. No way you can invest 5 lakhs and get 1 crore at the end of 25th year. Is it possible? Everyone will invest in that kind of policy. In that one policy itself, I am ready to put all my savings and all my investments. But the problem is that when she shared the screenshot, or when she shared the document, like whatever the insurance manager has provided, it was simply ULIP policy, and every year they are paying, and they never know. And I don't know how they are able to show that returns for 25 years and share that you will be getting around 1 crore. It's almost like utter nonsense which is happening. And I shared the same thing with a SBA person and local in Chennai. It was almost like, this is not possible, sir. And he started laughing because it's not allowed, it cannot be done. But this is how you have been missold in your hometown, maybe tier 2, tier 3 cities, and tier 4 cities, and villages and panchayats, because they are not clear how to, where to check and all these things. They just simply believe the people who are sitting over there and saying that you are the bank manager, you know better position than me. But these guys are mis-selling the policies. Why it is mis-selling? Because you may never need that policy. You want that 5 lakhs to be there inside the deposit, inside the bank account, and you may need it whenever it is possible. But that bank manager never asks you all those questions. He always in the push of selling the policy, and every year you need to pay. If you're not paying for the second year, automatically the policy will get cancelled, and you'll be getting lesser amount based on the stock market. And you never know what is stock market also, right? And this really happened, and for the last 10 years, one of my friend was paying around 1 lakh per year, and after 10 years the returns was almost less than 9.5 lakhs. Just remember, paying 1 lakh per year at the end of 10th year is still, if you're still less than 10 lakhs, how cruel it is from the returns point of view. And you have been missold here also, and he has been told to put in another insurance policy by selling it off. And this is the next big best this next worst, not the best thing to do, the worst thing to do by a uh, relationship manager. It can be from the bank, it can be related to the ICICI or HDFC or SBI. And even in Kotak, my friend has been paying for almost like 8 years, and he asked me, should I close it out? I said, it's a smaller amount, let it continue. And now it is almost like 10th year. He started in 2011, and yeah, he has been approached by the Kotak relationship manager and asked that, this policy is not doing good, sir. Can you close it down, and you can invest in a guaranteed returns where you'll be getting around 7% at the end of 10th year? I said, don't take any other policy, because this itself is a worst thing to do. So best continue with this, and you'll be getting some better returns over a period of time. So these are the ways you will be missold. It is not a fixed deposit, it's an insurance protection, and it's not an investment itself, it's an insurance. If you think insurance as a risk protection, don't take any ULIP policy. invest only in pure term insurance, never take a policy. And in the case of diversification, knowingly if you're investing, maybe you can invest for uh, probably say a little portion in ULIP so that you are diversified and that amount is there. Okay, but pure term insurance real necessary, don't it's ULIP is not a substitute for term insurance. Okay, that is the point. And how you can protect yourself once you get the document from these kind of mis-selling is that once you get the offer document, there it will be clearly mentioned. Once you get a receipt of the document, in banks they may say that you'll be getting a document in a week's timeline, and after that only your policy starts. Your 15-day policy period, grace period starts. Once you see that it's a ULIP policy, it's not worthwhile, and if you feel it's not good, better surrender. You can surrender within 15 days. You'll be getting entire amount back, and you can always raise a complaint with the particular insurance company. It can be any company, public sector or private sector, and they are liable to pay. And if they're not paying, and if you raise the complaint on time, you can always approach IRDA, ombudsman, saying that I had raised the complaint, they didn't provide the refund, and on the interest also you can claim the interest also, because it's your time which gets wasted, and it's your money which is lying idle with some unwanted insurance, right? And this is what happened in today's case. ICICI has refunded almost 2.93 crores in almost 200 plus cases, and it's almost a refund of the money because mis-selling happened by the sales people who are on the ground. So this will happen, so don't worry. India's financial system is huge, and if you feel any mis-selling is happening, check with an advisor, your registered investment advisor or personal financial advisor, and then see if there is a possibility of raising a complaint and approach the banks. And then finally, if they are not replying much, ask your IRDA, raise a complaint with IRDA, and the bank or insurance company are liable to reply to IRDA within a stipulated time. So thank you so much for watching. Please post your comments if you have ever been missold about the insurance, or just share your comments what you think about this video. And will it be, if it is useful, please share this video with your friends so that they also know whether they have been missold or what steps they can take in their life. Thank you.